Hello, I'm Dale Wade, Manager of Support Services for the J.D. Edwards practice here at Spinnaker Support. Along with technical CNC monitoring and development managed services, Spinnaker Support also offers J.D. Edwards application managed services that provide the ability to outsource application functions in your business and augment your internal team. We are regarded as one of the largest and most respected J.D. Edwards managed service providers in the world. And in this video, we will discuss the important topic of integrity reporting and how we help our AMS customers avoid costly errors. Many J.D. Edwards customers are familiar with technical managed services, which include services such as proactive maintenance and monitoring, code updates, system health checks, and security review and design. But Spinnaker Support goes beyond CNC support and offers an array of application managed services, which we call AMS. What our customers really appreciate about Spinnaker Support's AMS offering is our hands-on approach to solve integrity reporting issues, batch processing errors, and interface breakdowns. The cornerstone to making this happen is through staff augmentation. So let's look at each one of these topics in a bit more detail. Integrity reporting is a sensitive topic for many J.D. Edwards admins and engineers. Notifications of any imbalance in a software table is an equivalent to a 5-alarm fire. Not good. When integrity issues arise, your financial reports are incorrect, which is a problem for any company. It's vital to have clean integrities for accurate financial reporting. Traditional product support would provide guidance on how to fix the integrity issues, but you would need to research, locate the issue, and fix it yourself. Not an ideal process for users who are understaffed or maybe lack the technical know-how to resolve the out-of-balance issue in JDE. With AMS, we can be responsible for identifying out-of-balances for you, and then we take action. Customers appreciate the hands-on experience we provide because it makes their lives easier. This leads us to our next topic, batch errors, often the root cause of integrity issues. It's vital for any JDE customer to have all batches posted by the end of the designated period. With our AMS offering, we can monitor all batch processes. If a batch doesn't post, we work with the customer to quickly fix the error before crucial end of period or reporting deadlines. Our AMS customers appreciate the teamwork to solve these issues rather than just suggesting a fix that they would need to do on their own. JDE systems are complex, and interfaces can, at times, be the culprit for integrity reporting issues and batch errors. Whether the interfaces are automatic or manual, we can help keep those connections running smoothly. We coordinate Z-file processes for our customers, which saves them time and stress. The Z-file process exists for many JDE modules, whether they're vouchers into accounts payable, accounts receivable invoices, sales orders, and others. We can ensure that data is correctly imported into your JDE environment when you need it. The final component of enhancing report integrity is through what we call staff augmentation. Do you need extra help desk support, vacation or after-hours coverage, or a trusted source to help analyze workflow challenges to add new functionality? When problems arise, you need to have iron-clad coverage, and that's why Spinnaker Support is a great partner for companies that run J.D. Edwards. With an average of 24 years of experience across Spinnaker Support's JDE team, our highly knowledgeable Level 2 and 3 experts add maximum expertise to your staff during times of need. Our application engineers can partner with your IT support to offer a quick turnaround on issue resolution or help push much anticipated projects to fruition. We'd be happy to help. If you have questions on how Spinnaker Support would be able to help your organization, please go to our website, spinnakersupport.com, and click on the contact button to get the dialogue started. I look forward to meeting you and helping you make the most of your investment in JD Edwards software. Thank you for watching this video.